Um, so in this tutorial session I'm going to talk about verifying the document and also track changes, since we didn't have time to talk about it last tutorial. So looks like I finished my translation. So there are some segments that need to be confirmed, so I need to do that before I go and verify. So I need to go home page and confirm each one. Oh, we got an error which we need to fix, but I will look into it. Once I'm done with confirming. Okay, so it looks like I'm done. No. So we know that there are already 2 errors, so we want to save this. So just go and click save, and then just if once we verify the document, it actually shows up all of the notes, warnings, and messages, the entire document. So that's what we want to see. Okay, so once I clicked verify, it popped up this little box. So as I said before, we don't care about the warnings, which I think we have one in this. No, we don't have. We don't care about nodes. It's just it's not gonna be an issue. It's not gonna make a huge difference in the target file. So it's just a space issue sometimes. So what we need to worry about these two tags that we need to fix. So if we click on those, it will take us to the segment that is having an issue. So we need to figure out what's wrong with this. Let's see. Yeah, so we are missing the placeholders, so that's the issue here. So we need to fix it. Since there are only 2 tags, I'm just gonna copy, actually, instead of just copying. We know it's supposed to be between the brackets and the number 3. Okay. And then copy. It's supposed to be between 21st or after 21st. Okay, we got rid of our ghost tag, as we can see. Okay, now we need to go back. Let's see. Okay, so this one. So what's wrong with this tag? So as we can see, there are 2 similar placeholders. It's because we have 50 opening, closing, and we have only 50 as closing tag. So we have extra tag that we need to get rid of it. So the easiest way, so we can do via track changes, which we can turn on the track changes because we don't need this. So we erased it, and we accept all changes in document, and you just get rid of it. So we need to turn off the track changes and go back and then confirm again. Okay, it got confirmed. Guess we need to verify this one as well. Okay, so let's run the verification one more time. Okay, so as you can see here on the top, we don't have any error messages, so our file is looking pretty good. We don't have any issue. Besides, we need to confirm this. So it will be stored in. Okay, looks like we have some unconfirmed segments. Okay, let's check one more time. Okay, so it looks like all of our segments have been translated and confirmed by the translator, so we don't have an issue, and we can actually get rid of this if we double click. So it will tell us what's the issue is, so additional space after the tag pair. So as I said, it's not an issue. We can just click ignore. That's all, so it's all gone. And then we go save. Okay. So our document is all translated and it's ready for a supervisor check. So once this document gets sent off to supervisor, then after the supervisor check, they're gonna have a different icon here with check. So as I explained before, and also one interesting thing. So once you, so you have to finish your translation, but you believe that the same word or sentence can be translated in two ways, or you want to leave a comment on certain segments so your translator can actually have a look. There is you can actually add a comment on each segment. Let's just try and add a comment. Let's see which one. Let's try this one. So we highlight. See, there is a option gives you add a comment. So whatever you want to make a note for your supervisor, let's say so something like that, whatever you want to. So you add a comment, you click OK. Okay, now so when your supervisor gets it, and then usually all of the segments that have comments, they're gonna be kind of highlighted as yellow, so as you can see here. And also, and once your supervisor sees the comment, she will be able to decide the comment, read the comment, and also delete the comment. So you add a comment, edit the comment, which you can get rid of it or delete the comment, which the option is let's see, yeah, so add a comment. So this is the comment. So, and also this is the user. So my username is Apgar, so that's why it says, oh, there's this comment by this person created on this day. This is the specific comment. And then once the supervisor decides if it's a relevant word to use in this content or not, she can edit it or she can delete it. So once you delete it, okay, and the comment will be gone. So and then as far as the track changes, since it depends how long is the translation is. Sometimes group of people actually work on one translation, or if it's just a short page, only one translator, and then supervisor will verify the translation. So for that reason, if let's say there is couple of people are working the same translation, and then there is I mean disagreement about certain word, they can actually use a track changes to make sure, because the supervisor is the last person to approve the translation. So by using the track changes, let's see. So by using the track changes, it allows the supervisor to actually review and decide if that sentence or a phrase or a word is relevant to the content of that translation or not. So if the supervisor, so we have an example. So I turned on my track changes and wasn't sure about the sentence. So let's say my supervisor and I'm seeing this, and I'm like, oh, okay, so this is the right, this phrase is used in the right context, so it's supposed to be there. So what I can do, I can go accept all changes in document, or which means when you accept all changes in document, that means you are agreed that this sentence should not be there. But if you say reject, that means this phrase is supposed to be there. So we actually want to reject because we want this phrase to be there. So we go ahead and reject. So that sentence with name, which means we know, so we don't want to erase this. So it's not deleted, it's saved there. Then also sometimes translators or supervisors, they forget to, every time when you make changes, accept, or you actually need to turn off your track changes before passing the project to next person. Otherwise you're gonna get an error. So just make sure once you accept, so your track changes is off, which I did, and I need to confirm, because once you confirm this, the segment will be stored in TM in this format. So the with9 phrase will be included in format in the NTM. So that's got confirmed, and yeah, so it's all ready. I'm just gonna run verification one more time. Yep, see, I don't get any warnings, notes, or errors, so translation is looking great. And I'm gonna go save, and that's all. So it looks like my translation is ready to go to the next person, and in my case would be supervisor. Okay, and okay, just making sure I didn't miss any. Nope, it's all confirmed. So okay, we'll see you in next tutorial.